Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year. Yeah. So, yeah, can I turn this off or something? Let me help you with that. The background's falling. Okay, yeah, do that. Click there. Okay, yeah, click it. It's not working. Just click it again. Hey guys, I know we're not in our usual studio. Let's turn off that light. That's just a little bit too bright. But we're here to talk about something important on Christmas. Yes, we are. As you might know, Christmas is all about Jesus. He was born on Christmas. So we decided to make a little video. And yeah, I hope you enjoy the holidays and have a Happy New Year. We just said that earlier, so. Well, I don't care. Okay. I'm not talking to you. Guys, be nice. No, Jordan! It's Christmas. Fine, okay. So yeah. Merry Christmas.